Welcome back to my new video. My dear technician, this is the part 3 video of the video I posted some few days ago. My dear technician, if you can remember, there was a video I posted. I said how you can be able to repair any phone that shows only charging light. My dear technician, this is the part 3 of the video. Check this out. My dear technician, after detecting that the problem is from the downboard, so the only way is for me to cut the positive that takes power from the downboard to the main board. Check this out. So I take my time to cut the positive line. Check this out. If you have any question, you are free to let me know. Check this out. I'll be done. If you have any question, let me know. Check this out. I take my time to do this. If you have any question, please let me know. Please, when doing this, you have to be very, very careful. Please, you have to be very, very careful, because if you do any mistake here, you can even cut the lines of the screen and the screen will start showing white or not even showing anything at all. So take your time to do this. Do not rush. Take your time to do this. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section. Check this out. I'll be done. Check this out. I take my time to do this. So take your time to do yours. Please take your time to do yours so that your customer will be happy with you. Check this out. Take your time to do this. Check this out. I will be done. I will be done. I will be done. Check this out. I will be done. I will be done. I will be done. My dear technician, so the next thing is for me to connect the screen to the PCB and then try charging the phone to see if it will charge. Check this out. Let me connect the screen to the PCB. Check this out. Check this out. I'll be done. I'll be done. I'll be done. Let me connect battery. Check this out. If you have any question, you are free. Let me know in the comment section. Check this out. Okay, I just connect negative now. Let me connect positive. Check this out. 1, 2, ready, go. Check this out. Check this out. I'm waiting to see if it will come up. Guys, it's working. My dear technician is working. Check this out. My dear technician, now you can see that the problem of this phone is from the downboard. Now you can see that the problem of this phone is from the downboard. My dear technician, I take my time to troubleshoot. From the part 1 and part 2, you saw everything. My dear technician, the problem of this phone is from the downboard. They have changed this downboard many times. It's still not working. According to the person that brought the phone, he told me that they even changed the screen, still not working, so they could not be able to know where the problem is coming from. My dear technician, I will advise you, if your customer give you any phone, okay, that you know that the charging port is not working, please, instead of getting a new downboard, change the charging port. I've seen a lot of our technicians, instead of changing the charging port, they get new downboard. Most of these new downboard, are fake. Okay, most of these new downboard are fake. You can see here, there's no resistor. There's nothing that could resist and, do a lot of work here. So everything here, they bypass. So it's going to cause a problem to the PCB. And, you saw everything. It stopped the PCB from working. The phone could not be able to start up. It's only showing charging light and it's not even charging the battery. At the technician, you saw everything when I did troubleshooting. Even me, I did not know. To tell you the truth, I did not know that the problem is from the downboard. You saw everything. I took my time to troubleshoot. Finally, I see that the problem is from the downboard. At the technician, everything I do here is open. Check this out. So I decided to cut the line. You can see I decided to cut the line that takes power to the PCB. Check this out. At the technician, I told the owner of this phone that the best way to get this thing solved is to get the original downboard of this phone. So for the meantime, for now, let me just do a jumper for her to use the phone instead of keeping the phone like that. So I will only connect the charging, then other things will not work for now until I get the original downboard of the phone. So that's what I will do. So I told the owner that I'll get the original downboard of the phone and change, and everything will work like magic. My dear technician, I took my time to connect this. Check this out. I want to get the positive, V bus. I want to connect the V bus from the PCB. Check this out. I want to connect the V bus from the PCB to the downboard. And the technician, check this out. No time wasted. I put glue to lock everything. Check this out. If you have any question, let me know. Check this out. I tape it very well. Check this out. If you have any question, feel free, let me know. If you have any question at all, let me know in the comment section if you have any question. Check this out. I will be done. I'll be done. If you have any question, let me know. Check this out. Check this out. I will be done. Alright, technician, if you check, I took my time to couple everything, both the heatsink and everything I removed. I took my time to couple it. I couple everything. I took my time to do this. If you have any question, let me know. If you have any question, feel free, let me know. Check this out. Check this out. Let me do the jumper. If you have any question, feel free. Let me know in the comment section if you have any question at all. Let me know in the comment section. My dear technician, before I close this video, let me share with you some important information. Please, my dear technician, if any of your customer give you phone to repair, please, if the charging port is not good, change the charging port. Don't get a new downboard. Please, do not get a new downboard, because there are sometimes these new downboard are fake. If you want to get original downboard, please make sure you check and confirm and be sure that it is original before you now fix in the phone. There are some phones and you fix this fake downboard, it's going to even spoil the phone. So you have to be very, very careful. Guys, thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Thanks, and I love you all. Bye for now. You can see that the problem is from the downboard, so it's not from the PCB, it's from the downboard. So I'll get original downboard and change it and everything will work.